Hello all. In this video, we will know about pulse width modulation, how to use it in Arduino and its applications. In Arduino, we have input and output pins at the right. We can either declare it high, which is 5 volt, or low, which is 0 volt. Using pulse width modulation, we can also produce voltages between 0 and 5 volt. So, when we are declaring it as 0 volt, so each duty cycle it will be 0 volt, constant 0 volt. When we want as 1.25 volts, something like that, 20, which is 25% of this 5 volt, it is going to be 1 by 4th, it is going to be 5 volt for 1 by 4th of this duty cycle. So it is going to be 1/4 of each duty cycle. So while we average it, we will get this as 1.25 volt. When we want as 2.5 volt, there will be 50%, it will be on, and 50% will be 0 volt, 5 volt and 0 volt. It will be 50% 5 volt and 50% 0 volt. So when we take average, it will be 2.5 volt. Similarly, for 75 percentage, we have 3.75 volt, which is it is going to be on for 3 by 4th of each duty cycle for 5 volt, and 1 by 4th will be 0 volt. So while we take average, we'll get 3.75 volts. And if we want 5 volts, it is going to maintain that 5 volt for the full duty cycle. So what is this 0, 64, 127, 191 and 255? We are declaring it as 0 to 255. So if we declare it as 255, it is going to be 5 volt. The output is going to be 5 volt. So we are considering these as limits, and we are giving the numbers to get the output. Now we will type a simple program for understanding the pulse modulation. While declaring the pin number, take to notice that the pins for pulse width modulation are mentioned with the tilde symbol before it. Only those pins can be used for this pulse width modulation. The number for Arduino UNO are 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. Only these pins can be used for pulse width modulations. So I am declaring it as 9 as output. Now the syntax for this pulse width modulation is analog write. So we will declare 9. First we will give it as 64. Should be 1.5 volt. We'll keep a delay seconds for 200. Now I will declare it as 2.5 volt, that is 127, and a delay time of 200 milliseconds. I will declare it as 3.75 volts, which will be 191. Delay time is again 200 seconds. Now the full voltage 5 volts. Now we will declare that as 255. Delay time as 200 again. So I will connect this and upload the code. Now we will connect the circuit. So I have declared it as pin number 9 in the program. So I have connected my LED to pin number 9. Now I will upload the code. So now you can see the brightness of the LED is changing. Now we will extend the delay seconds so that you can see that brightness changing clearly. I'll declare it as 1 second. So you can see that the brightness is changing. Now let me change the code a little bit. Now I have added 0 volt in the loop. So with the same program, now we will connect a buzzer. I am connecting my buzzer positive terminal to the digital pin number 11 and the ground wire to the Arduino ground. So I will power the Arduino. So you can see that the volume is increasing slowly. So you can use this pulse width modulation in different areas. We can use to control the servo motors. We can control the sound level using the speakers or buzzers or the brightness of this LEDs. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.